Hey guys, this is Andrew for TrendLineses.com. I've been working as a professional trader for the past 6 years in Hong Kong, and I've started a few months ago to do some YouTube videos because I want to show you guys how pro traders are actually working. And I want to connect the two sides, of like between the pro traders and the, retail investors, because I've been one of them. And I have a lot of people that come to me, my family, my close friends, that want to get some information. They're asking me for advice, and I really enjoy sharing with them my experience about market dynamics, about how we actually do our analysis as pro traders, and what I see on this market. So if you want to know about all this stuff, you are in the right place. So today I want to make a big update on the cryptocurrency, which has been a crazy market this week, and I want to show you guys what are my key levels. Let's get into it. So let's start with the king. Bitcoin is the king. It's the crypto that is performing the best. They have around now, I think, 1,000 billion market capitalization. So it's a lot. And what is happening, guys? So basically, I was saying on my previous videos, I do like regular updates on this. You can check. And it's not always like this, but on Bitcoin, guys, for now, I have like a clean sheet. I'm always right about what I'm saying. It's not going to be like this forever, because this is, technical analysis is about probabilities and expected gains. So for now, I've been, let's say, lucky in my analysis, but at least I got it all good. So what I'm seeing now, so basically we broke this triangle 2 weeks ago. Here, Tesla, Elon Musk were buying, a few billions of Bitcoin. So it was the signal that the market was waiting for to push higher. Right now, what is happening? So guys, you are all asking me, should I buy more here? Even here I was saying no. I was saying wait for a retest maybe of 38,000, this consolidation level, and then you can buy more. Of course it went higher. Of course you missed some profits, but guys, this is not a few days game. It's a long-term game. If you want to be profitable in the long term, you cannot buy the middle of a breakout. Even buying here would not be a good idea. Buying here, which I was saying, guys, I told you, I gave you this trade. I was saying we had the breakout, it was confirmed, it's retesting, and here was a very nice area to buy it. All right, people who bought it here, I did not agree. I was saying, guys, we're having some resistance level now that are in line, which are my FIB extension ratios. And I think the market is gonna correct and consolidate, and then we'll see. And this is what happens. So right now, guys, what to do? If you are long, of course, you keep it. You keep it. We are going to 55,000. Once again, look here what happened. So this is the 2.618 retracement ratio, and not retracement, extension. And this was the 1.618. So we're just going from one to the other one. So the same situation is likely to happen, guys. So we might, just get rejected, go higher, and just hover around it. For now, what you need to look for, guys, very important, listen to this. You need to find the moving averages that are fitting the price action. So here I have 20, 50, 200. I just look, I'm on the 4 hours time frame. It works on every time frame, guys. You just take a time frame, take some moving averages, and check what is working. And this will give you some signals of when it's time to maybe take some profits. For now, the 20 period moving average has been broken here and here, so it's not a good indicator. All right, here it was broken. It's not what the Bitcoin is following. Then you have the 50, guys. The 50 period moving average has been working here, guys, as a nice support level. It was perfect signals here, slightly breached, but not for full hours. That's why it's important to get a confirmation of every breakout. I encourage you guys to go check my videos on the breakout that I did 3 weeks ago, where I explained how to deal with breakouts. And now you can see, guys, that it's again acting as support. So here it was support, here not really touched, but it's all right. So this is your safety line, guys. All right, when the Bitcoin is breaking it for more than 4 hours, all right, so let's say 8 hours, you have 2 consecutive candles on the 4 hours time frame that are trading below this. This is the time, guys, to take some profits. All right, I'm not saying to unwind all your position. I'm just saying, guys, this is a weakness that the Bitcoin is showing. For now, we don't have it. All right, we don't have it. We're pushing higher with a nice pace. All right, it's regular. There is only, the moves down are not strong. For now, there is not any profit taking. Everybody that is long is keeping their position, and they're right to do so. So once again, how I find my resistance levels. So if you go on the weekly time frame, all right, so once again, guys, this is my Elliott wave analysis on the Bitcoin. It's pure. It's not often like this. This one is perfect. It's fitting everything since inception. 1 2 3 4 5 ABC, 1 2 3 4 5 ABC, zigzag, flat. You know, it's always like this. When the 2 is a zigzag, then the 4 is usually a flat. This is what happened, and each third wave can be broken into 5 waves as well. So guys, if you want to know more about Elliott wave principle, click on the link in the description of the video, and you're gonna receive a free video on this. So here, what is happening? We are doing the 5th wave. What is telling me where the 5th wave is going to go? Fibonacci. I measure the 3rd wave. I apply it to the 4th wave, to the bottom of the 4th or the 5th wave, which is the same bottom, which is here. And I follow my ratios, guys. All right. It's not rocket science. And it's working, all right? On the Bitcoin is working very well. So 35,000 was my first consolidation level, and my next one is at 55,000. So I'm not saying it's not gonna go above, like we said. And the next one is 73 and then 46,000. All right, so one of those level is probably gonna be the one of the 5th wave. And where is the 5th wave going? Maybe to 3,500, I don't know. We're gonna analyze it when it's gonna come. Right now we are in the 1st wave of this 5th wave, so it needs to, of course, pull back a little bit at a point, but for now we are not finished, guys. So 55,000 next resistance level. Once again, slightly above, slightly below. Let's see, let's focus on those levels and do some shorter term and technical analysis when it arrives. All right, very quickly on the Ethereum. So the Ethereum is giving us some nice signals. It breached the all-time high, and I do the same kind of analysis. I measure this wave and I apply it to 5th wave, all right? And it gives me a target of 2,600. So I think the Ethereum will go there, but the moves are, so it's less than this. Okay, it's 30% higher. So this could be, you know, compatible with the Bitcoin going maybe to 60,000, something like this. So guys, if you're long Ethereum, same thing. It's good to hold, careful. You know, we check what are the moving averages that work the best. Same guys, the 50 on a daily time frame. Yeah, here the 50 is working well. When we have moves up, the 50 is working well. And when the 50 is broken, then usually we have some consolidation. So you can focus on this one. I didn't do it very well, guys. Check the different time frames, check the different moving averages, and select the one that is giving you the best signals when we have the similar moves. Next one, Ripple. So the Ripple is very interesting. So guys, just one thing. Here I have the Ripple that is colorful, and I have the Bitcoin that is in orange. All right. So you can see that the Bitcoin is overperforming the Ripple as all the other cryptocurrencies by a lot. And what is interesting to notice is what I said in the videos I did a few weeks ago. So the Ripple is actually a company, guys. They try to get regulated. They talk with banks, with you know, central banks, regulators, this kind of people. So all the big players of the financial industry, and they want to get their coin regulated. So we don't really know if it's a coin or a share. So they have some issues with that, and that's the reason why here it went brutally down, because the SEC was actually telling them that they need to justify actually the actions because they are not a crypto, blah blah blah. It's not what is interesting here. What is interesting, guys, once again, is technical analysis. So we can see that already a few years ago the Bitcoin is doing its move, and 1 month later the Ripple is doing its move. Why? Because when the cryptos are hot, then those guys that are like in the Ripple company, they can onboard a lot of companies more easily, and they have some good, you know, dynamics going on the industry, which is the cryptocurrencies, that's gonna allow them to make some deals, and then they have usually some good news, and they release the good news, and then they have this kind of crazy moves up. So right now, what is the Bitcoin doing? It started to go higher. You can see, guys, it goes higher here. The Ripple, it goes higher here. So 1 month, 2 months later. Then second leg, bam, here. 1 month later, bam. Each time it's coming back. Now we have this one. So started 26th of Jan. So guys, I expect a strong move up on the Ripple on the 26th of Feb. So we are right now the 19th of February. So I'm not sure I'm going to release this video today. Maybe I'm going to have a few days delay, but I'm telling you guys that around end of Feb, beginning of March, we're going to have a strong move up on the Ripple. So that's it for me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to click the sub, like, and bell button so you're going to be the first to know when I upload anything new. And stay close to shore. I'll see you guys.